In this video, I will show you how to set up auto delete messages on Telegram for Android. First of all, open Telegram and go to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and select Auto Delete Messages. Here, choose our default timer for all future chats like 24 hours, 7 days, or 1 month. You can also set a custom time or turn it off anytime. This will automatically apply to new private chats you start or join. You can also set auto delete for a specific chat. Open the chat, then tap the contact name or profile photo at the top. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Auto Delete and choose your preferred time or turn it off. Keep in mind, in group chats and channels, only admins can change auto delete settings. That's it. Your Telegram messages will now automatically delete based on your selected timer. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.